Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XRP from Revolut to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your XRP for better trading opportunities or portfolio management, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates in policies since crypto rules can change. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have accounts set up on both Revolut and Binance. If not, download the apps and complete your verifications. It's crucial for security. Once you're logged in, open your Revolut app and navigate to your XRP wallet. You'll see your balance. Tap on it to access the withdrawal or transfer option. Next, head over to Binance. Log in, go to your XRP wallet, and generate a deposit address. This is super important. Copy this address carefully, as any mistake could send your XRP to the wrong place, and you might lose it forever. Pro tip: always use the QR code if available to avoid typos. Now, back in Revolut, select the transfer option for XRP. Paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review any fees. Revolut might charge a small fee, and there could be network fees for the XRP blockchain, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Hit confirm, and you'll get a final verification screen. Double-check everything: address, amount, and fees, before proceeding. Once you approve, the transfer will be initiated. Depending on network congestion, it might take a few minutes to an hour to reflect in your Binance wallet. A quick word of caution: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Also, remember that XRP transfers are irreversible, so accuracy is key. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it. Your XRP is now on its way to Binance. Once it's there, you can trade, stake, or hold as you please. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.